All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. Now I'm going to show you the difference between image size and canvas size so you can see why these images are basically the same, but they look, cropped different. But here's why, because the model here is inside of this box, which is the canvas. And um, so if we go here and we go to image and image size, you'll see 2000 by 2500 pixels. That's the pixel dimensions, up and down and left to right. Same on this one. It's a different crop, but same. Boom, boom, 2000, 2500. But if we do the canvas size, now let's say I drop this down to 2000. It's going to give you a warning. It can clip. And now we've closed that box, but she's still in there. See that? So that's the canvas size versus image size. If I was to have changed the image size, well, I'll do that over here. Um, and I believe I said I changed this to 2000, but watch, it's going to lock those and bring it down together, and then it just makes the whole thing 2000 high. See, we got 2000 here, 2000 here, but she's in this box, the canvas, and over here it just took the whole thing. They're actually the same height. So that is the difference between canvas and image size. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, hit me with a comment. Thank you.